Breaking news coming in on top of the bulletin from Uttar Pradesh. These are sensational images from Kanpur in UP, where a Bharatiya Janata Party leader and others free a history sheeter from police custody. Take a look at the shocking visual on your screen. So what's happening is 5 cases were registered on BJP leader Narayan Singh, along with 11 others, for forcibly taking away history sheeter Manoj Singh away from police custody. So he was with the police, and as you can see, he was forcibly taken away. So Manoj was attending BJP leader's birthday party when the cops arrived at the location. The video currently playing here, which has also gone viral on social media, is showing that the police personnel had initially managed to nab this accused, put him in the vehicle, and just as they were about to leave, a group of men arrives near the vehicle and forcibly take him away.
तो जैसे ये टीम पहुंची वहां, उसको अपनी कस्टडी में लेकर के पुलिस की सरकारी जीप में बैठाकर उसको लेके चलने का प्रयास किया। इसी दौरान इस अपराधी के करीब 10-15 साथी वहां आकर के शोर मचाना शुरू किए और पुलिस से बदतमीजी करने की कोशिश की। उसके बाद जैसे ही गाड़ी से इधर से पुलिस उनसे बातचीत करना शुरू की, तब तक पीछे से उस मुलजिम को इसके साथी लेके भाग गए। उनकी गिरफ्तारी के लिए टीमें हमने बना दी हैं और मुझे उम्मीद है कि वो जल्दी गिरफ्तार भी होंगे और अग्रिम कार्रवाई उनके विरुद्ध की जाएगी।
I'm going across now to Lucknow. My colleague Abhishek Mishra is reporting on the latest on this. Abhishek, first, who is this Manoj Singh history sheeter who is able to have these group of men who can just come towards a police vehicle and take him away? And importantly, any statement coming in from the Yogi Adityanath government yet?
Well, certainly, Pooja, if I talk about Manoj Singh, he's a history sheeter. He has around 34 cases registered against him of murder, loot, rape, and he is a very known person in the city. And at the same time, what we have seen in the visuals, in the video, where in one of these celebration party or one of the BJP leader, this person came there and he was there, and when the police went there to actually arrest him, he managed to escape from the place, and that too with the support of the BJP leader. So this is the situation. On the other hand, UP government has not spoken anything on this as of now, although the district president of Kanpur, she has said that they have suspended him for as of now, and an inquiry has been set up of consisting of 3 members who will investigate into the whole matter. But it's clearly an indication where we can see that how these criminals are being saved by the leaders at the local level, and specifically in this particular incident when he managed to escape from the ground, that too from a party which was happening at the place of a BJP leader. Yes.
Abhishek, thank you so much. We'll wait and watch now what Yogi Adityanath government has to say. Remember, the government states they will crack down on all sorts of unacceptable activities. What do they have to say about this specific incident?